If you're a small YouTuber who wants to get incredible results, this video is for you. Hi, I'm George Pierce. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about helping small YouTubers get incredible results. And I'm going to ask you to stay to the end so you can get all the details. So let's get right to it. Now, just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and always get that. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out on any of these videos. As you can see, what I'm showing you here is one of my videos, one of my recent videos that had a total of 2 views. I went on there like 2 nights ago. I go to YouTube, and at one of my videos, and there is my brand new video with 2 views, 2 little views, brand new channel, relatively new channel. Little tiny small channel, and here's my video in the #1 suggested video spot. Now I've got quite a few videos that have been ranked in the #1 spot, and this is what I want to share with you is how to help you to make this happen so it can happen for you too. But with 2 little views, that tickled me. So I said I've got to make a video about that. So that's what this video is all about. The good news is that, I mean, it's really good news. There's tools, there's free tools that'll help you and help me to do this, and that's what I'm going to basically share with you. There are several things that YouTube is going to look at to rank your video. But the 2 things that are going to be helping you the most are what are called click-through rate, the first thing. And the other thing is your viewer retention. And what I'm going to cover in this video is mostly focused on what's called click-through rate. If you and I have a watch time, let's say, of 4 minutes, and I have a click-through rate of 1%, that means I'm going to have a total watch time per 100 impressions. My watch time would be 4 minutes. If you have a 4-minute watch time, but you have a click-through rate of 3 or 4 or 5 or 6%, then you could have a watch time of 12 to 24 minutes with a 6% click-through rate, or even more than that with a higher click-through rate. So click-through rate is very important to helping your video rank. So that's what I'm going to share with you in this video is a couple of tools that really make this much easier. The first tool that I want to show you and share with you is Advanced Marketing Institute. As you can see, what that is, it's a free headline analysis. And it's a free headline analyzer. And what it analyzes is what's called the EMV, the emotional value of your video. So, of your title, as you probably know, that the title and the thumbnail, which I'm going to get to the thumbnails after the title, but the title and the thumbnail are what's going to make that click-through rate happen or not happen. Lousy titles, lousy thumbnails, no click-through. Good title, good thumbnail, good click-through. Great title, great thumbnail, great click-through. I'm going to show you how we can try to make that great. So the title that I had come up with was Small YouTubers Get Phenomenal Results. That's got a 50% ranking. That's pretty darn good. Anything over 40% is something that you can be proud of. But I was trying to maybe get a little bit better, so I decided, okay, well, let me try a word that has more emotion. And that can be words like angry, hungry, or anger, or hunger, or love, or hate, or so on. So I got new hungry YouTubers get phenomenal results. I got a 57%. Now that's even better. Okay, so I try another one. Hungry new YouTubers get impossible results. 66.7%. That's out of this world. Okay, but I ended up with new hungry YouTubers get phenomenal results. Still got the same ranking. One reason is I thought new would be a better first word than hungry. Might be wrong, but any of these titles should grab people's attention. So, and this is simply me just playing around for just a few minutes and coming up with a killer title. So then that title is the hook, or part of the hook, that's going to get people to click on that thumbnail. The other thing is the thumbnail itself, and that's what I want to share with you next. There's two sites that I prefer. There's many sites, but my favorite sites for images are Pixabay and Unsplash. And I'm going to show you on Unsplash. I went to Unsplash and I typed in jumping people. I wanted something to show the excitement. You double or triple or quadruple or sextuple anyway your click-through rate, then you have just 3, 4, 5, 6 times your watch time. So in YouTube's eyes, your videos are suddenly 6 times better. So I wanted to show that excitement, you might say. And what I come across, of course, I saw a lot of jumping people, but this is the one that I settle on, mainly because it's just different. And something that's different is likely to catch somebody's eye. And then I went to a site called Pixlr. Now, I'm going to leave links below to all these sites. So Unsplash, Pixabay, Pixlr. But I went to a site. Now, Pixlr is free, and it's a video editor software, online video editor. And a pretty incredible video editor. I mean, it's incredible even as a paid editor, and being that it's free, it's unbelievable. So what I come up with, new hungry YouTubers get phenomenal results, and hit the download, save, download, and so on. And then, of course, I upload that back to YouTube as my thumbnail. And now I've got a powerful title and a powerful thumbnail, and I did it with free tools. So to me, that's pretty darn good news. And now I have what I'm sharing with you should sincerely help you double, triple, and maybe even more on your click-through rate, which is going to double, triple, or more on your watch time. So then the other thing that I want to share with you is the fact, and I'm not going to cover that in this video, but watch time is the other thing that is going to dramatically help your video as far as its ranking. So you want to work on that watch time. Now, I'm coming out with a new video soon, very soon, I hope, within the next day or two. And it's going to help you with 2 brand new things, brand new ways to improve watch time. And basically, that's making changes. When your viewer leaves your video, basically, the idea, in my mind anyways, is that they're tired or sleep, they're just bored. They're just okay, I'm gone. So we need to keep their attention, and the way we keep their attention is to make changes. But that's one of the things. The other thing's called B-roll, and I'm going to cover that in the video as well, the new video. That is going to B-roll. You've got your A-roll, which is your A video, your main video. Your B video or your B-reel or your B-roll is added video. So you can use pieces of added video to your video to enhance your video. Plus, it makes those changes, which keeps that viewer attracted, keeps that viewer interested in your video. So those are the 2 things that are coming out in the new video. The other thing, and by the way, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. I almost always go that way. But anyway, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and then you won't miss out on any of our videos. And then the other video that I suggest that you watch, I'll leave a link below to the video. That is the first video in our YouTube training series, because it's going to help you with a whole bunch of different ways that you can improve your YouTube results. So you'll find that link below as well. And then what I'm trying to do here is to share with you what I've just learned over the last few months, so that you can do it too. So I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and allow me to wish you much success.